Did you know that in 1880s Russia, a countess chose poison over paradise? Countess Katharina lived in a grand St. Petersburg mansion with everything money could buy. But after childbirth complications left her in constant pain, her doctor prescribed morphine. What started as medicine became her master. While her family celebrated her son's engagement downstairs, she hid upstairs injecting the drug. Day by day, the morphine consumed her soul. She sold her jewelry, dismissed servants, and lied about mysterious illnesses. Each injection promised relief, but delivered deeper isolation. Her husband became a stranger, her children mere shadows through a chemical haze. One winter evening, with trembling hands, she prepared what she intended to be her final dose. In that moment of clarity, she realized she had chosen death over living. The overdose failed, but it awakened her family to a terrible truth. Behind their aristocratic perfection, there lay a hollow emptiness that nearly destroyed them all. Recovery would require facing what wealth could never cure,